You spent years in school and still feel like you don't actually know anything useful. That's not an accident. School teaches you how to pass tests, follow timelines, and memorize information long enough to survive exams, but it rarely teaches you how to actually learn something that matters. So people leave the system knowing how to consume information, but not how to turn it into understanding. They read constantly, watch lectures, finish dozens of books, and still struggle to explain what they learned a few days later. Because information is not understanding. Here's how to become dangerously self-educated in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Learn what's worth learning. Most people skip this part completely. They read whatever appears in front of them and end up with random knowledge that never connects into anything useful. Before learning anything, ask yourself, what would actually change in my life if I understood this deeply? If the answer is vague, skip it. Your attention is limited, and not every piece of information deserves deep study. Choose knowledge intentionally, because focused learning compounds while random learning scatters.
Step 2. Read with questions, not highlights. Stop reading passively. Before opening a book, write one specific question you want answered. Your brain works differently when it is searching for an answer instead of simply absorbing words. Without a question, you are just moving text through your eyes. After reading, close the book and write for 10 minutes. Not a summary. Write what surprised you, what challenged your beliefs, and what you will do differently. If you cannot answer those things, you probably have not understood it yet. Go back and read slower. Step 3. Teach what you learn. This is one of the most powerful learning methods and also one of the most ignored. Explain what you learned to someone who knows nothing about it. No jargon, no shortcuts, just simple language. You do not need a classroom. A friend, family member, or even a voice note to yourself works. The moment you try teaching, every gap in your understanding becomes obvious. That confusion is where real learning begins. Explaining complexity simply turns borrowed knowledge into something you actually own. Step 4. Go deep, not wide. Most self-educated people make the same mistake. They learn a little bit of everything and never build real capability. Instead, choose one domain and study it for 90 days. Read the foundational books, then read the books those books reference. Study people who spent decades in that field and learn directly from their work, not summaries. Then take it further. Find 3 books that disagree with each other and read all 3. Do not ask who is right. Ask why each person believes what they believe and what evidence supports their view. Understanding disagreement builds real thinking. Depth creates leverage. Random knowledge does not. Step 5. Think, write, and apply fast. Most people collect highlights, quotes, screenshots, and notes they never revisit. That is not thinking. Create one thinking document where you regularly write your ideas, questions, disagreements, and connections. Writing forces clarity and moves ideas from information into understanding. Then apply something within 48 hours. Learn negotiation, use it in a conversation. Learn writing, use it in an email. Learn psychology, test it in real life. Your brain remembers what it uses. Application creates friction, and friction shows you what you still do not understand. That's the system. Learn what matters, read with questions, teach beginners, go deep, think on paper, and apply quickly. None of it is complicated. Most people won't do it because the results take time. That's exactly why it works.